Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Roots UAE. If you are planning to work in the UAE, one of the first things you will need is a professional CV. Unfortunately, many job seekers have to pay between 20 to 100 dirhams just to have someone create a CV for them. The good news is you don't have to spend that money. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional CV completely free using a website called FlowCV. We'll go through every step together, from creating an account to downloading a professional CV ready for your job applications. Let's get started.
Open your browser like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Type flowcv.com. Welcome to FlowCV. This is a free online CV builder that allows you to create professional looking CVs without using Microsoft Word or any design software. It is simple to use, beginner friendly, and allows you to export your CV as a PDF when you're finished. Let's begin by creating an account. Click sign up and create an account. Creating an account only takes a few minutes. You can register using your email address or your Google account. Once you've signed in, you will be taken to your dashboard where you can start creating your first CV. Now let's browse and choose a template. FlowCV provides several professional templates. My advice is choose a design that is clean, simple, and easy to read. Remember, your goal is not to present your qualifications clearly. A recruiter is more interested in your experience than in colorful graphics or decorative designs. For this tutorial, I'll use this template, but you can choose the one you like best. Let's now enter the personal details. Include your full name as it appears on your official documents. Add a professional title or target position. Then add an email address that you check regularly. Include a phone number where employers can easily reach you. For your location, simply mention your city and country. You do not need to include your full residential address. You may also add your nationality, visa status, availability, and your date of birth. You can also add a professional photo if you choose. If you include one, make sure it's clear, well lit, and taken against a simple background. Avoid selfies, group photos, or heavily edited pictures. Your photo should present you professionally. If you don't have a professional photo, don't worry. In our next video, I'll show you how to generate your professional photo using ChatGPT. Next is your professional summary. This is a short paragraph that introduces you to the employer. It should briefly explain your experience, your strength, and the kind of role you're seeking. If you're not sure how to write this section, don't worry. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write a professional summary in just a few minutes in our subsequent videos. Now let's add our work experience. Always begin with your most recent position. Include the company name, job title, your employment dates, and a few bullet points describing your responsibilities. Be clear and specific. Instead of writing one sentence, explain the work you actually performed and the value you contributed. Next is the education section. Start with your highest qualification. Include the qualification you earned, the name of institution, and the year of completion. If you have any additional certifications that relate to your profession, include them here as well. Now let's move to the skills section. Select skills that genuinely match your experience and the jobs you are applying for. It is better to include fewer relevant skills than a long list of skills that you can't demonstrate during an interview. Let's head to the languages section. If you speak more than one language, include them here with your level of proficiency. The UAE is a multicultural country, and being able to communicate in different languages can be an advantage for many positions. FlowCV also allows you to add additional sections like certifications, volunteer experience, projects, achievements, or references. Only include sections that strengthen your application. There is no need to fill every available section if it's not relevant to the role you are applying for. You can also adjust the font size and style plus spacing. Once you've completed your CV, review everything carefully, check for spelling mistakes, confirm your phone number and email address. When you're satisfied, click download and save your CV as a PDF. PDF is generally the best format to send to employers because it keeps your formatting consistent across different devices. I will advise that before you begin applying for jobs, remember these simple tips. Keep your CV clean and easy to read. Always update it with your latest experience. Use a professional email address. Tailor your CV for different job applications whenever possible. And most importantly, proofread it before sending it to any employer.
I hope this tutorial has helped you create your own professional CV without spending any money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone that is applying for jobs. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.